Hey everyone and welcome. Today we're going to compare two popular online banks, Chime and Varo. Which one is better for your money? Let's find out. First is we have Chime. Chime is a great option if you're looking for fee-free banking. It offers a free checking account, savings account, no monthly fees, and even early access to your paycheck up to 2 days early. It's super user-friendly and all about helping you avoid fees, with no overdraft or minimum balance requirements. Chime is perfect if you want simple, no-nonsense banking. Now let's talk about Varo. Like Chime, Varo also offers fee-free banking with no monthly or overdraft fees, but it goes a step further with a high-yield savings account. You can earn a much higher interest rate on your savings with Varo compared to most traditional banks. Varo also offers early paycheck access and cashback rewards when you spend with certain partners, making it a bit more rewarding for your everyday banking. So if you want a straightforward, easy banking with early paycheck access and no fees, Chime is a solid choice. But if you're looking for a higher interest rate on your savings and want cashback rewards, Varo might be the better option.